our company name is called Pine Biotech. We're a biotechnology company located in the US, in New Orleans, in Louisiana, but we are a technology transfer company that stems out of University of Haifa, specifically the Center for Bioinformatics called the Tauber Bioinformatics Research Center. The center was started to make bioinformatics more accessible, design algorithms, as well as make them useful for people that do not have extensive bioinformatics background and expertise. And what we've identified as a team is that there is a growing need in training individuals to be effective at utilizing the wide range of bioinformatics tools and apply them in a meaningful way to research challenges that are pressing in the area of biomedical research, agriculture, and biotechnology. And so as a result, in 2017, we started a program that up till date has over 15,000 participants from around the world. We have a lot of content that we have refined with the help of many different curriculum reviewers and work together with a number of highly specialized universities around the world, organizations that are training the next generation of bioinformaticians, and working with statewide and countrywide organizations that are designed to help elevate the level of biomedical research around the country, including the Louisiana Biomedical Research Network, including our partners in different high schools, colleges, research labs, and industry. And so as a result, we have really identified these three pillars of our program, which is access to big data in a meaningful way. So solving the problem of computational resources so that anyone from the comfort of their home can utilize complex tools, apply them to big data, and get meaningful insights. The second aspect is mentorship. It's not easy from the comfort of your home to really know what you're doing. And so that's why we brought in a number of experienced and highly qualified mentors that are ready to assist anyone go from knowing about bioinformatics to actually applying bioinformatics. And the third pillar is obviously training. So we provide resources that are making the computational background, the algorithmic component, training in coding and different elements of bioinformatics, as well as biology and biomedicine and biotechnology. How do you apply data science to these challenges? So we merge those together in our OmicsLogic curriculum.